AgCom is a fifth generation family owned and operated business in south central Pennsylvania. We sell inputs to the farmers from our fertilizer and seed division, and then we'll buy that grain back and use it into flour and sort of go full circle with our farm families in the community. At the end of the day, we're all working together for the same goal.
So in 2015, we realized that our older mill was reaching capacity. So for us to grow with our customers, we knew we had to do something more and expand our flour mill business. When we originally were planning the design of the building, we wanted to actually mimic the old building. We wanted to make it look like it was 150 years old, 200 years old. And in that, somewhere along the line in that moment, we realized we weren't building a 200-year-old mill, so why make it look like a 200-year-old mill?
A lot of things that we were looking at to make sure we were successful with the project was just forward thinking. We wanted to make sure that, when we completed the project, that we had some capabilities to grow. The other important thing to us was the building structure itself, that we were going to house this whole process in, to give us that futuristic, clean image facility that you're comfortable where your food's coming from.
We were trying to do this whole expansion on top of our everyday duties. Once we realized who Bratney was, they were kind of the one-stop shop. They had everything that we needed to pursue our expansion.
Since we formed our partnership with Omas in 2016, we've been looking to design and construct a mill to really showcase Omas's technology. The project with AgCom was a perfect opportunity to deliver a state-of-the-art mill that was unlike anything else in North America in terms of milling technology. It's also really satisfying to work with a multi-generation family business like AgCom and know that our work will help carry their company forward successfully into future generations.
So there was three main things that really we had to focus on when designing this project. First of all, sanitation is critical in any type of food facility. Maintenance is a big factor, making it easy to maintain to keep their flour mill operating and very little downtime. And then the third thing, which is often overlooked, is energy. The design of this mill significantly reduced the amount of electricity consumed, and it was a huge benefit to the end result of this project.
We are unfortunate that we are on the end of the line, the electric pole line, so there's only so much energy that actually makes it to our place here at AgCom. So the energy efficiencies that we can save will actually enable us to possibly expand even more in the future on the energy that we do save today.
When AgCom started generations ago, they relied on water as a source of energy to produce their flour, which at the time was the most efficient way. And now the torque motors have become the most efficient way and the most efficient energy source to produce flour. And AgCom is now the first company in the United States to use that technology.
So working with Bratney has been very, very positive. They worked through all these issues that came along, and no project comes through perfect. But the important thing is the people that stood behind us to get the job done and get things right.
The thing that excites me the most about completing the project is where we are today and the opportunities that will lie ahead in the future for us and hopefully the generations to come.